Okay, guys, while that's still going, and I've got 5 minutes that I'm gonna count to get this going, I feel no water coming out of here. Everything is dry. Let me tell you a little bit about the eSpring water purification system. Very important to know. 1,350 gallons of purified water for 1 year. That means you get about 10,000 16-ounce bottles of water purified. If you do the math, 10,000 bottles of 16-ounce bottled waters, all right, is a lot of water. Yes, 1,320 gallons. It's actually, the eSpring water purification system places the pH of the water between 6.5 and 7.5. And the longer you take to exchange it after it starts beeping, like I showed you earlier, the higher the pH is going to be. So you need to make sure that when the unit starts beeping and it starts telling you, hey, time to change it, time to change it. Filters out chlorine, all right, over 140 toxins, biomedicals, things that make it to the water. Remember, water comes, if you're getting city water, it comes from the plant to your house. The problem is not that the water is not good. The problem is that on the way from the plant to your house, you've got pipes that probably have been there for a while. So bacteria tends to live in those pipes, and the byproducts of those bacteria tend to make it into the water pipes and then into your system. So when we think we have water that's been filtered by our city, it has been, but the pipes between your house and the water processing plant is where the issue lies. Now, do the math when you have a chance, and we'll be talking about this soon. 10,000 bottles of water, 1,320 gallons. Look at the price of the eSpring, and you end up paying cents on the gallon, practically. Many of us buy bottled water, and eSpring provides the opportunity to have purified water without having the expense of buying bottled water. And we'll talk another time about some of the issues related to bottled water, depending on the kind you buy, the plastic that was used, and the PEV number under the bottle. So when you have a chance, take a look at the bottom of the bottle. There's a little triangle and it has a number in it. Depending on what that number says, your bottle could actually be toxic if not cared for properly. So that's it, guys. That's a simple overview of the eSpring water purification system. There's a lot more that this system does, and in this video we're going to be also showing you some of that. Take care.